Welcome to Tai Chi for sore muscles. This flow is designed to soothe sore muscles, loosen stiff joints, and enhance circulation. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out, really taking your time, feeling all the sensations that you can, bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front, the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up like mist from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down, and then the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, breathing out. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the fingertips point up, they float up and over, then the hands spiral out and away. We call this one silk reeling, the upward spirals. So adding in a little bit more spiraling movement, really circulating the energy and blood flow throughout the body. One more time, silk reeling, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms floating up and over just as much as you can comfortably. The fingertips point down, coming down the center, and then spiraling out and away. The downward spirals. Just softening down, rising up, really letting go. One more time, silk reeling, downward spirals. And then circle the arms in front as if you're hugging a big tree. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops in front, the other one behind, as we clear the field. The arms float out to the sides, gently rotating the other way. The other hand comes in front, the other one behind. Breathing in, breathing out, clearing the field, clearing out old, stuck energy, making room for the new. One more time. And then from here, the front hand lifts up even more, all the way up to the sky. And then coming back down, the other hand comes up. Nice gentle rotation, breathing in and breathing out. Lifting the moon one more time. All right, this time both arms float up as we gaze at the moon. Switching sides again. Looking up to the sky, towards the moon. Breathing in. One more time, gazing at the moon. And then circle the arms down all the way in front, hug the tree. And then shift all the weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Drawing the hands back in as you shift back, and then push forwards, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Just taking your time. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the arms float up and over. They come down in front of the body, scooping under, gathering in the energy, gather in the breath. Let it wash through the body. The Tai Chi circling. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight as you step in, step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Or taking as many breaths as you need. Just keep on breathing. Nice gentle movements, nice and slow. One more time. Push the mountain. And the hands float up, coming down in front of the body. Scooping under. The Tai Chi circling. Circling the arms all the way around. Scooping up. So we're letting this energy wash through the body. Gathering it all up. Breathing in and breathing out one more time. Tai Chi circling. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. Step the foot in. And then step out to the corner. This time the arms open out to the sides as you shift forward. And then shifting the weight back, the front knee straightens, the wrists cross, hinging from the hips, keeping the spine long, the arms float out to the sides. And then crossing the wrists, the front knee bends, shifting the weight forward, the arms open. Shifting the weight back, we call this one the butterfly, like we're taking a bow, and then spread the wings. Breathing in and breathing out, feeling the sensations. One more time, the butterfly. Then the arms open up wide, step the front foot in as you hug the tree. Shift the weight, step in with the other foot, and then step out to the corner. As you step out, the arms open, and then shift the weight back, front knee straightens, or you can keep a slight bend, the wrists cross, spreading the wings out to the side, keeping the spine long, the arms open, shifting back, the butterfly, like we're taking a bow, spreading the wings. As you shift forward, the front knee bends, the arms open, one more time, shifting back, crossing the wrists, spread the wings. Coming forward one more time as you open. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front, and then step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the fingers dip down towards the earth as you soften the hips and knees. The hands come forward, all the way up and over, down in front of the body, digging in the garden. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. And then reverse direction, the hands float up, they drift out and down. Coming back up in front of the body as we harvest from the garden. All right, one more time. And then this time, round out, hugging the big tree right out in front. And then from here, both arms float all the way out to the sides and down, floating up to shoulder height. One hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then softening down. Rising back up, release the bow, other side. The other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, soften down. All right, this time, you can soften down as you draw the bow, the archer. Right, one more time. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, this time circle all the way around and hug the tree right out in front. And then step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down by the sides as you step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot, the arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird, the crane. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Always meeting yourself where you're at the best you can. And the arms can float up and over, stepping down. All right, other side, the crane, but just the arms at first. Breathing in, breathing out. This time lifting your leg or touching down as needed. And then the arms float up and over just as much as you can. And then from here, reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms face up towards the sky. Then the hands come down the center. As you soften the hips and knees, the arms brush out to the sides. Breathing in as the arms float up, gathering the seeds, and then planting the seeds into the earth. Right, one more time, planting seeds. This time, circle all the way around and hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide. The hands float down. The backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face each other in front of the heart. Then softening down as we plant the tree. The hands float out to the sides, all the way up and over, down the center line. Softening down just as much as you can comfortably. And then other side, floating all the way up and over, down the center. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, planting the tree. And then circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, both arms drift over to the side and down. And then making two loose fists. One fist goes overhead, the other by the waist. And then switching sides. You can even look over to the side if you like. Breathing in and breathing out, the tiger hugs its head. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Other side. Touching down is okay. Or if you want, you can lift a little bit higher. One more time, the tiger hugs its head. And then circle both arms all the way over and down. Circle in front, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, and then step right out to the corner. As you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. The other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time, parting the horse's mane. This time, catch the moon. Then making two loose fists, we'll spin the moon, gently looking to the side, one fist overhead, the other by the waist. Coming back to center, catch the moon. Two loose fists as you spin the moon, look to the side. Gentle rotation. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking your time. And we'll do it once more, riding the tiger. And then parting the wild horse's mane one last time to this corner. Then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the other corner, bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Other hand floats down. Circle it around again, parting the horse's mane. Moving from your center. Let the arms follow. One more time, parting the horse's mane. This time we'll catch the moon. Making 2 loose fists, we'll spin the moon and then look to the side or gently behind. One fist overhead, the other by the waist. Coming back to center, catch the moon, spin the moon, look to the side or gently behind. Breathing in and breathing out, riding the tiger. Right, one more time. Nice and easy, gentle rotation. Never forcing it, just easing in. And then parting the horse's mane one last time, right out to the corner. Step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both arms float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down with the hips and knees. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body. Bring the energy into the heart and let go. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart. Press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feeling the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. Thanks for watching. Today's class is part of our monthly calendar program. To get your free clickable monthly calendar, please click the first link in the video description below, and I'll see you next time.